Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the TV on and Wi-Fi credentials ready. Now make the physical connections. If using an external device, plug it into an available HDMI port and power it. Once done, switch the TV input to that HDMI or open the built-in app list on your smart LED. Make sure the device or TV connects to your home Wi-Fi network. This is required for streaming. You'll see a welcome or home screen. That's your cue to proceed into the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app and you'll land on home. You can use a TV sign-in or pairing. Select Sign In and either enter your Google details on the TV or choose Pair to get a short code to enter on your phone at YouTube. Com/activate. Once signed in, your subscriptions, history, and recommendations sync. Use the remote's arrows and OK to navigate. If available, press the voice button to speak searches for faster results. Make sure the app is updated to avoid playback issues midstream. Select a video and press play. You can change quality in the player settings to 1080p, 720p, or auto depending on bandwidth. To cast, tap the cast icon on your phone and choose the TV. Otherwise, use the TV remote for pause, seek, and volume. Adjust audio mode or closed captions from the player menu for better viewing. If something fails, try this troubleshooting tip. Restart the YouTube app and the TV or dongle. Confirm Wi-Fi is strong, and then re-sign into your account if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.